In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to spin up a clear, organized list that your team can use right away. Lists in Slack are great for tracking tasks, ideas, or projects without leaving your workspace, and they live alongside your files so everything stays easy to find. Start by opening your Slack workspace on desktop or in your browser. Once you're in, head to the Files section. This is the central place where Slack keeps shared items like documents, canvases, and of course, lists. Opening files first makes sure your new list is stored in a consistent spot that's simple for you and your teammates to revisit later. Inside Files, look for the plus icon that lets you create something new. It's your shortcut to starting fresh content within Slack. Clicking that plus sign opens a small menu of item types you can create, keeping the process quick and straightforward. From that menu, choose List. This tells Slack you want a structured, table-like space where you can add items, include details, and track progress. Selecting List sets up the right format automatically, so you don't have to build a layout from scratch. Next, give your list a clear, descriptive title. Think about how you and your teammates will find it later. A good title should reflect the purpose, like Team To-Dos, Content Pipeline, or Bug Triage. The more specific you are here, the easier it will be to search and keep everyone aligned. Now, you can use a template and edit it to match your workflow. Templates provide sensible starting columns, things like task name, owner, status, and due date, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Pick the one that fits your scenario and then tailor it. Rename columns to match your team's language, adjust statuses to reflect your real stages, and remove anything you don't need to keep the list focused. As you begin adding items, keep them short and consistent. Use clear verbs for tasks, set realistic due dates, and, if your template includes an owner field, assign one person per item so accountability is obvious. If priorities matter, standardize labels like high, medium, and low, and apply them consistently so sorting and scanning stay effortless. That's it. You opened your Slack workspace, went into Files, used the plus icon to start something new, selected List, added a solid title, and leveraged a template you customized to fit your team. With these steps, you'll have a tidy, actionable list that keeps work moving directly inside Slack.